Oh man, stupid weatherman lied to me. Brennan, wake up.
No.
Wake up. No, get up.
Fine. What time is it?
11. Oh, Cody's here.
Hey guys.
Oh.
Hey.
You see Brad anywhere? Like a car here. Hold on.
Go.
Okay. Yeah, we'll go find him.
No, I haven't seen him since the...
Brad!
Brad!
Brother, wait!
Where are you?
I'm in Emily's room, guys.
God.
What's up, guys?
Brew.
Yeah. Oh, can you keep the straightener on for me?
Yes.
I got it straightened.
Don't worry. Alright, so dude, we totally need to write this new script.
Yeah, like, you haven't done anything.
Yeah, I know, it's getting really old. I'm sure people are really bored with us. Hey guys.
What people?
I don't know. Like, do we even have fans anymore?
Did we have fans to begin with?
Not sure. Alright. Hey guys, come here.
Brad, what are you doing?
Writing the script. We haven't done anything in a while, so.
What is it now?
It's about what happened this morning.
Wow. Looks like it sucks.
Yeah, like, well, let's not film this one. It'll really serious.
Yeah. I like us not doing things better.
I hate you guys.
I think you do.
That's good. We're done.
We're done filming?
Yeah.
For the day?
Again.
Yeah. So get up.
Fine! Sit up then.
What's up, guys? And then you guys just stare for a little bit. And Matt, you're just gonna go, you fruit, and you both walk away. And then Brennan comes running back in. Hey, leave the straightener on for me. I'm like, yeah, man. Okay. Ready? Alright, ready? Quiet and action. What's up, guys?
Brew.
Bag it. Oh, keep the straightener on. I gotta use it later.
Oh, yeah, sure, man.
Would it be better for Brendan's bed thing so it wasn't on camera?
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Are you guys gonna both sit in Brendan's bed?
Yes.
Me, Mark, and you fit in your bed. Mark's very large.
Okay, thank you. Brendan, come on,
Get out of my futon.
Come on. Come on. Come on, Queermo.
you do this to finish me over?
We just hinders it.
Mine. That's spit it out of my mouth.
Alright.
So.
It's terrible.